guys, good morning and welcome to another weekly update, episode 66. Wow, we have get to this level so far. So guys, thank you guys for those of you who have subscribed, those of you who just subscribed to the channel, those of you who always comment on our video. We do appreciate you, and for those of you who always give our video a giant thumbs up and share with the new people, we really appreciate you. And for the OGs, those who have been here since about 3 or 4 years ago, thank you guys for watching our video. So probably this week updates, there are some work we'll be doing, so I will be showing you. I also work on a belt. I changed the head with the spoiled material. I like fix it. Then there are some bag I was making, and I will show you. And there are some pause as well, so you guys will just watch that in a few seconds. And some of the bag we are doing with the big log, I might not finish it on this week update, so just expect the rest of the video in weekly update episode 67. So guys, without no further ado, enjoy the rest of the video and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching and bye for now. See you guys later. So guys, what I'm trying to do is this belt, the head has damage, which is the extension that hold down the head. So what they did, the belt was initially a pure thick skin, but what they use on the side is not a skin, it's just like a synthetic kind of a skin. So it has damage. I now decided not to put another skin, but this skin is not thick as this particular one. We can't use thick skin here, so I'm using this light one which I cut off of this particular one I used to have here before. So I just decided to show you, since this has entered into this weekly update. So I've taken the measurements and I cut this out, then punch my hole. So right now I'm about to fix it. This is the screw and the other parts that will hold it down, so I will just fix it here right now and do it. So I think I'm not going to just show you the finished product. I will be doing it and I'll be showing the process, so stay tuned to watch it. So if I'm not mistaken, I think this is how I'm supposed to fix it. I don't think the thread, the other side of the screw is supposed to show from up. So this is how it was fixed initially. This will hold this particular side down, so I will screw this down. So let me turn it and see if I can figure it out, then show you guys. Okay, I'm able to do that. So I'll put this in here this way. So it's as simple as that. If you have your belt, you can fix this yourself. So I have my screwdriver here. I'll just screw it down. So I'm just going to finish it and arrange everything off camera. After I'm done, I will show you guys. But I think right now maybe I'm going to apply a gum so it can hold this down instead of it to be raising the way it's kind of doing right now. So I'll just rearrange it and I will show you guys. So I've been using this skin belt for quite many years now. I think it's not close to 7 years. So only that part I show you is not skin, but even up to this particular strap side is skin. So let me fix it and come and show you the outcome of it. So guys, I finished fixing it. I didn't later apply any gum to it, so I'll just leave it the way it is like this. So enough, I'm done with it. So I think I'm going to put a wax. I have a wax here. This is a wax, but there is no sun now because it's already late. This is 7 o'clock, but I think maybe tomorrow I would keep this at the studio here. I'll wax it tomorrow, then put it in sun so the wax can penetrate through it, because the skin, it's as dry a little bit and it needs to be soft. So I'll wax it tomorrow and see the outcome. Wax it, then try to polish it. Your skin don't need to be too dry, it needs to be very soft with a little bit moisture on the body. So guys, this is the video for you. We'll proceed with the rest of the weekly activities. I didn't do introduction, but this is the first video I'm making this week. I just decided to show you this, but we have some work planned out on this particular leader. We'll be making some posts like this, but I'm not promising you guys I might make this post and won't show it on this week update, but there are tons of video we'll be making this week and I will show you that. So guys, see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Leave in the comment section down below what you think and share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. Thank you guys, and see you in the next clips. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly updates. What we are trying to make is this kind of post we make way back. If you have been a subscriber on this channel for a very long time, you will recognize this particular post we make few months back, or maybe close to more than a year now, close to 2 years we make this post. So I just give one of the interns to make a replicant of it. So this is what she has done so far. So probably I will show you. Right now I will be leaving the studio. I'm going out to the market to do some shopping for some accessories and material we need. So but once I come back, I will show you what she has made so far. But if I come back early before she starts, I'm going to show you the making of it. But that's just the update so far. Just decide to show you guys and let you guys be aware of what we are doing. See you in the next one. Good morning and welcome to let me reduce the music so I won't get copyright. So yesterday I talked about making this particular post that if I'm around I will show you. So I didn't make it back to the studio early, but the interns have finished the post. As you can see, she tried her best a little bit. This she was asking, I asked her not to put this, but I wasn't expecting her not to put this pen holder. She didn't put the pen holder, so I think maybe if she's making another one she's going to do that. So me just showing you what we are up to this week, but there's no video on how to make this particular purse wallet again. So that's just it. So yesterday I came back. So this morning I came to the shop. I've started designing this particular work we'll be doing. Don't mind the dates, we always make our video down. Don't mind the dates please. So this is the bag we want to make for a client. So I've started the work already, but yesterday when I went to the market I got this taping, then their chain I need to use to make some bag again. I also made order for some lock, big lock. I think it should be arriving today, so probably towards the evening once I get it I might show you guys and see for you guys to be updated. And if I didn't get that, that's just it. So these are the new chain I ordered and I bought, and this is one of the material I'll be using to make the bag as well, a full sheet of this. So this morning I will start with the activities and just show you a little bit of how it will be going. Probably this video will be separated into 2 weekly updates because the bag are a little bit much. So, and we've already started the weekly update before, so that's just a little bit of update so far. I will continue with the rest of the activities now and see you guys in the next one. So guys, I just finished what I showed you earlier. So cutting of these 6 bags, they are very big bag. So I just finished cutting all the pattern, all the interface. Actually this is the interface I'm using. I'm not using the fiber, I'm using this foam. So right now I want to leave. I'm going to the market to collect some material I ordered for some aso-oke. So once I'm back I'll still update you guys on what we'll be doing. So probably anywhere we end the video it will be anywhere we end the video I'm going to end it there, then we'll continue from next week update. So see you at the market. I will try my best to vlog in the market. I'm back at the shop now. I always promise and fail. I said earlier, once I'm in the market, I will try to vlog, but at the end of the day, I still fail. So I also bought some dice for eyelets I need to work with, and this is fucking expensive. Sorry for using a F word. This is very, very expensive. The way you see this now, this is 15,000 naira for this two. Only God can help us in this country of ours. So let me show you. Let me bring them out and show you. It's of 3 different colors. This is one, and this is the most expensive among them, followed by this particular one, and here is the last one. So that is the 3 of them. So right now we'll start with, I showed you this earlier. I finished cutting everything, so now I'm going to cut this out Jan before I will start applying them. Hopefully I should be able to do something reasonable to show you guys before the next week update. So thank you guys for watching. So guys, good morning and welcome to the continuation of the vlog. So yesterday, as we were working, I was unable to still vlog, but we've done a lot of work. And by the way, I told you guys that I'm not going to finish everything this week. It will enter next week because there are some delay on the accessory we ordered. It has not arrived. So I know earlier I talked about it, that if it's arrived, I'm going to show you. Probably the way things are going, it's not going to arrive early for me to show you. But right now, we'll turn the camera to show you the rest of the work we have done. Like we did those one yesterday. Those one you see on the decks, or this one, and this one you see on the machine. Then there are some on this side as well, so you can see. So I will turn the camera now to show you guys more of it. So for those of you who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, also remember to turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on this channel. Share this video with people who know it might be uploaded today, and give this video a giant thumbs up if you enjoying it. So let me turn the camera and show you guys. So guys, as I said, here are lining for the front of the bag. So here are the main bag and the cover panel of the whole bag. We are making 6 bags of different aso-oke print, as you can see, and they are very, very beautiful the way they are. And this particular one and all the aso-oke you are seeing, they are very, very expensive. So now I'm trying to fix the lid for the cover, the bottom of it, the lid for it. And here are the few I was talking about earlier. So this is the chain I'll be using. Probably in few hours now I will start fixing the eyelet. So probably if I finish, I don't know if there will be time for me to show you guys. But what I want to start doing today is I will fix this. Once I fix it, I will insert the zip to it, because it's a bag that will have a inside zip. So once I fix that zip, I'll try to show you guys. So probably if I'm unable to finish the rest, then we'll proceed to the next phase in the next week update. So but as I will be doing this, I will do a time lapse so that you guys can see a little bit of how we run things here. So guys, see you once I start. So guys, earlier today I was working on this. You can see from the time lapse what I did. So I went out, I just came back now and see what's the work like. So I will continue right now. I promise you guys to do a little bit I can do for this week update. And probably I should be going out very soon again. But right now I will try my best to finish the cover for the lid. So once I do that, I will show you. So leave the rest for next tomorrow, because tomorrow I will not be working, and that will be for the next week update. I will continue and finish up the bag. So there's no video dedicated to the bag except the weekly updates on the activities we are up to in the shop. So I will still continue the time lapse so you can see how I fix these pockets for the rest of the bag and do the rest of the activities. So stay tuned to watch it. So guys, welcome back to the continuation. As you can see on the time lapse I just do on making this one, so I did not film me sewing this part to this part. So as you can see, this is how the pocket is. This is how I make the pockets. So it's a pocket you can't see the way we make from the inside. It will be very neat. So this is the lid for the cover. Right now I'm going to apply gum and fold the edge so I can place it on the cover, which is the cover and the back as well, as you can see. So that's what I'll be doing right now, but I don't think there will be time for me enough to show you guys. But if there is time for me, I will just try my best to show you guys, but I don't think so, except if I am going to delay the editing of the video. So once I finish applying the gum, I will show you when I put it on here. So, and that will be the end of the video. I'm going to do the eyelets I think next tomorrow, because I said earlier I will not be working tomorrow. It will be next tomorrow, which I'm going to start the other weekly updates. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and let me do this now and come back to show you guys. So see you at the other side. So guys, this is it. I'm done with all. Everything is intact. You can see this is the first one, this is the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and the sixth one, and they are well intact. So this is where I'm going to end the video for this week update. We'll see the rest of the bag next week update by God grace. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one, so you will see the outcome of the bag. And I think that is all for now. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.